It's something that affects 1 in 8 women. Now researchers think that the early results of a clinical trial could be a breakthrough in the fight against breast cancer.
This spring, we told you how the Cleveland Clinic is leading the research of a breast cancer vaccine. Catherine Ross in the studio following through on the study's early findings, and she joins us live now with more.
And Catherine, what are we learning from the results this morning?
Yeah, good morning. Well, the results so far are early and among just a small group of women, but some researchers already think this vaccine could be a game changer in preventing one of the deadliest and most aggressive forms of breast cancer. And one cancer survivor tells me it's already giving her some peace of mind.
Jenny Davis has learned time is priceless.
You shift on how you live when you think about those things.
Weeks after a breast cancer diagnosis in 2018, she began chemotherapy, the first of 26 rounds of radiation and a double mastectomy.
Not a lot of time to process what was happening. You know, I have children and my mom and husband and my stepdad, everybody. It was very difficult.
The mother of 3's successful treatment was tempered by statistics. In more than 40% of triple-negative breast cancer survivors, the disease returns, often more aggressively and more difficult to treat.
It was in the front of my mind every day, every single day.
It's why Jenny says it was an easy choice to be the first human to take a trial vaccine designed for the disease. We told you in April about the Cleveland Clinic's decades of research that went into developing the vaccine. As the first phase wraps up, its manufacturer, Anixa Biosciences, says the early findings are promising.
I'm making some very bold statements based on the results of 16 women, but the data is incredibly promising, and we hope as we go forward that we will have as good or better results on larger numbers of women.
Anixa CEO Dr. Amit Kumar tells us all study participants experienced an immune response, and the cancer-fighting response was especially strong in 75% of the women. Dr. Kumar says while extensive testing will continue, he sees the findings as a major breakthrough.
It may take a few decades, but one day we maybe have vaccines for multiple types of cancers.
Jenny reports little to no side effects from the vaccine, and she says it's helped her think less about fighting cancer and more about the time she's been given back.
I look forward to everyone being able to get it. I look forward to my girls being able to get it one day, and it's just something that I am so thankful for.
And the Cleveland Clinic and Anixa are scaling up that first phase of the trial right now. By the middle